A cold night, a rainy night in a quiet city where I live. Raining all day long. Nature is smarter than people think. Climate change has to be tackled by humanity. Everyone on earth has a role to play in tackling the problem of climate change. Everyone has to do something about it. It's been raining all day long till right now. It's peaceful, quiet, calm, but extremely wet. Yeah. It's been a wet day and a wet night. Climate change is a reality. Something can be done to stop it. For a better tomorrow, for this generation and the generation yet unborn. Yep. You can hear the music of the rain on the floor and on the roof. It's been like that all day long, from morning till now. It's still part of climate change. Yep. Nature is smarter than people think. Cold night. Cold, cold night.